Hi, welcome back to another video. We're going to do a gel polish set today, and it's for a collaboration with the Glitter Girlz. It is for Chinese New Year. I completely forgotten who suggested it. I should have looked really before I started recording, but hey ho, you know what I'm like. Right, I think I have a plan. So I've put on Aimeili's base coat, and I'm now going to go in with 007, which is black. We're going to do 2 coats, so I will probably zoom through this. Oh, and I have bought myself a new toy, so I've got a bit more flatter one of these, what's not going to fall over as much. So it feels a lot more stable than my one, and it comes in a little tin with loads of these little tips as well, which is quite cute. I quite like it, so I thought I would use it today. It is from Amazon. I think it was about £7.99, I want to say, but it's quite handy. It's handy. Right, I will probably speed through this part and see you at the other end. Okay, right, they've had 2 coats of black, which is 007, and as you can see, they come out really nice. I never have a problem with Aimeili's black. We are gonna put some of this on. We are. So what we're gonna do is, I've got Aimeili's no white top coat. We are going to top coat it. Pop it in the lamp. Right, as soon as that comes out, we're going to take a bit of that. I bought these for Christmas. I bought a green, a red, a gold and a blue, and I didn't use them. I don't know why I forgot to use them. I think it was because they were on a different shelf to everything else. Okay, next up I am going to top coat them again. I've done this one so you can see. But basically I'm going to top coat it with the no wipe top coat. and then I'm going to mat over it with Premier Gel, and they come out like that. So I thought I would do that one to show you, and then I'm going to zoom through these ones. Alright, I've got to use Premier Gel's matte top coat because I don't have an Aimeili top coat in matte. Right, all of those have been done with, so that's base coat, then 2 coats of black, then put the red chrome on, spit it out Joe, and then we put no white top coat over that, and we've put matte top coat over that, so let's give them the matte look. Right, I am going to do, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but I've got that second one there is like almost like dragon skin. Hoping you can see it. So difficult on these plastic plates. It is. It's very difficult. Right, I've got Nicole Diary, and this is 03, which is their gold colour. I've not tried this one, so it could come out crap. Oh, that looks alright. Oh, that ain't going to work though. I'm probably going to have to double up on the on there. That looks nice. I likes that. I'm going to give that a wipe. Oh, I can reuse that one then, can't I? There's no flops on it. Oh, this one was BC09, and it's from AliExpress. But as you can see, it prints quite nice. I do quite like the plastic plates. It's got like butterflies on it and lots of flowery type things like lace effects. Right, where were we? Right, so the pinky and the thumb are just going to have that simple leaf on, which this is JQL04. This one, I'm sure it's an Aimeili plate, this one. Right, what do I want? I've got my Moira foil polish. It's called foil polish for stamping. So it says on the back. I've got it up too tight. Try not to blind you. I'll try to put it where you can see. Oops. I'm going to put you at a bit of a jaunty angle. try again. Perhaps I should have held it instead of expecting it to stay there. Right, put that down there. Just those two to do. Right, I've cleaned that other plate up. We're going to use this one next for the pointer and the ring finger. Now I'm going to use this tree up the corner. It's the closest thing I've got to something that looks like blossom. So this is a Beauty Big Bang plate, and it's XL077. I'll show you where it is so I don't blind you with it. This, I'm sure this is a plate what Aggie sent me. I was going to do this in foil, but I changed my mind at the last minute. As you do. Ooh, nearly picked the nail up then and not the... God, I take so long about deciding where I'm going to actually put the stamp. Terrible. Right. Right, now that's tidied away. I'm going to have these two as shiny. So I'll have 3 matte and... okay, that's gone right now. That chrome that is. Put that one in. You know what this reminds me of with this pattern on it, this flower? In some of our Chinese takeaways here, there's they have like wall hangings, and I think it looks like those. It's quite nice. I quite like that. I quite like it. Just wait for that one to come out. I will leave the playlist for whoever's taken part below. It was a bit of a rush job this time because we were meant to be doing a different collab and then it was changed at the last minute. So that is mine. I really do like, not so much the outer ones, but I love that. I like that matte. It looks like scales, and then I love these two. I would happily wear the 3 in the middle. These ones aren't as nice. I'm so picky. Right, I'll take some photos to leave at the end.